Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much for joining us. We have a very special guest who is joining us today. You see, every other song that we sing along to is a Salim Suleiman song. Any favorite movie of yours, background score, done by Salim Suleiman. One of our favorite songs that we keep humming along to these days, the Sunfeast India Run as One anthem, composed by Salim Suleiman. I have Salim Merchant with me. Hi, Salim. How are you?
Good, good, Sriram. Thank you so much for having me. And thank you, everybody at Fever FM and Sunfeast family.
I must ask you, are you a very upbeat person generally? Because over the last few months, I've been seeing your updates. It's always full of life. You never get perturbed that easily, do you?
Man, this world is become a very difficult place at the moment. And the only thing we can spread as musicians and as composers and even as people is to spread the word of happiness and positivity. Our music anyway is giving off that message of you know keeping making it hopeful and making everybody stronger and inspiring everybody. Um, and I'm a very positive person. I always look at the glass half full rather than half empty. um, there's obviously this is a very difficult time. The pandemic is really kind of made everybody's lives, disrupted everybody's lives. But hey, there are so many people who are struggling, and there are so many people who are in difficult times, but yet life goes on, and they are somehow trying to create a survival way for themselves. And all we can do is give them support, give them some kind of positivity, either through our music or through running or through donations or through something that you give off from your own from your own heart. So yes, we always keep it positive.
Right. Talk to me about the Sunfeast India Runners One and this association. This is India's largest movement to bring migrant workers, laborers back on their feet, and the names associated with it. It's as big as it can get.
Um, I think this is a song that basically we created out of just a. It was a moment where Prasoon and me felt that so many things happen with just a thought of, like, a fire is burnt out of a little flint,
Mm.
and every big thing needs a start, and that starts with a thought. That's why soch liya. If we've thought about it, soch liya to mumkin hai. And we were just discussing it. Believe me, it just happened in a minute that that how should we approach this song, and we said to each other, like, I mean, we've decided to do it. It'll happen. It's going to happen. And we literally translated that feeling into the song. We literally moved that feeling of, now that we've thought it's possible, सोच लिया तो मुमकिन है. सोच लिया तो मुमकिन है, निकल पड़ो तो मुमकिन है. And Nikal Pado is because it was all about not just Nikal Pado on the road to run, not just to take part in the Sunfeast movement, but Nikal Pado very metaphorically, very poetically means that if you give yourself, if you lend yourself to the world, Nikal Pado, then it's all possible. And with that thought, we decided to start this song.
Wow. And it's such a beautiful song, such a beautiful anthem. And the singers who are associated as well. Sukhwinder and your Jodi, right from Chakde, India. My God. Shan, Jonita Gandhi, there is Sukriti as well. Such fabulous singers, all of
Raj
them coming
Pandit,
together.
yeah.
And what was that like?
I mean, I always like having an ensemble of singers. I feel uh, the composition was such that it lent itself to various singers. All the singers on this project were very a big thank you to all of them, because it was an absolute kind of a contribution from their side. They didn't charge us any money because this was for a very very big cause. And this is a time that singers, even artists, actually sort of are fatigued by just giving themselves for causes. So to come forward and do this is a big thing. And I feel for us as musicians, to collaborate with many people is a big joy. Music is about people. It's really about people. When people's energies come in together, it becomes much
Magic.
much larger than just your thought. And earlier, when Prasoon and Salim Suleiman just collaborated to make a song, I thought that it'd be great to have more voices voice their personalities, and their kind of bring in their voices and their thoughts and their hearts. And Shan and Sukhvinder, they both are completely different, and so are Jonita
Sukriti Kakkar.
and Sukriti. And Raj is the common person who does Indian as well as Western.
Yes.
So he was like the binding force in between, just like myself. So yeah, we all sang this together, and we made parts for each other. And depending on everyone's personalities and strengths, we casted the right lines. सोच लिया तो मुमकिन है, निकल पड़ो तो मुमकिन है, सोच लिया तो मुमकिन है, निकल पड़ो तो मुमकिन है। खामोश झील के अंदर एक जिंदा लहर उतार, हर मोड़ की खरी सड़क पे उम्मीदें लिखते जाना, सोए सोए सपनों को एक हलचल ख्वाब दिखाना, बेबाक इरादे लेकर बिन बंदिश बहते जाना, सोच लिया तो मुमकिन है, निकल पड़ो तो मुमकिन है, तो मुमकिन है, तो मुमकिन है।
Wow, wow. It's
Thank
not
you,
a
man.
pleasant sight, but hair in the back of my neck, on my shoulder, सब रोंगटे खड़े हो गए हैं because of your singing and the way you
I
compose it.
I was, I
Absolutely.
mean, this is a little bit high. It's a little bit high for, because I composed it for Sukhvinder. So
Hmm.
the way he hits, सोच लिया, सोच लिया, तो मुमकिन है. The way he hits that note,
Yeah.
it's just gold. It does it so effortlessly. But
No, that's
yeah,
no.
it was fun. It was fun to do this song, and it has so much of josh and so much of power.
Yeah, music is such a great healer, and you feel it. You feel it, and it's so contagious. The positive vibes that comes through it, and
Yeah.
as we slowly open up, as we slowly unlock, hopefully we'll have live performances, people coming together to enjoy music. We are missing a whole lot of your performances, concerts as well, but one at a time, as I guess. Salim Saab, say,
Yeah.
talk to me about the kind of projects that's keeping you busy right now. You must be composing left, right, and center. And what exciting things can we look forward to?
So Sriram, we started our own label in this during this lockdown. We figured there's not going to be any concerts, and we had so many songs that we want to time it and release it. And 2 years ago, Suleiman and me thought of starting our own label. But because 2019 and 2018 and 19 were so busy, we never got the chance to do it. So we started our own label called Merchant Records this year in the month of May. And in the month of May end, we released our first song called Malik Mere. It started off with the Eid festival. So every Eid we release a devotional song. And this year we released Malik Mere, which was a devotional song. So the label started with that. Then the Mangi Duai, which was a song which featured Raghav Chaitanya. Then Beach Raste happened with Arman Malik and Nikita Gandhi. And recently we released a new song with Ash King and Jonita Gandhi called Jab Tum Paso. And there are 3 more releases happening. There's Bhumi, which is a very, very prestigious album, very sort of what do you call it? It's like one of the biggest things we've done in the past 5 7 years. So that's releasing post Diwali this year. It's called Bhumi 2020, an album that will bring in some hope for life to restart, for Earth to come back to its normal, and that's why it's called Bhumi 2020. And we are working on a very beautiful film called Desert Dolphin that is going to release on Netflix very soon. So lots in the pipeline, lots in the pipeline. Our next song features uh, it's a Punjabi song which is going to release on Merchant Records that features the YouTube sensation Carrie Minati, and who's rapping. And so there's a lot of amazing stuff coming up before we release Bhumi and then Desert Dolphin on Netflix.
Wow. You guys are constantly reinventing yourself, and your music just continues to live on and will continue to do so. Before we wrap this up,
Thank you.
Salim, what would you like to share with all of us? Tough times, we are in it together, and we are all trying to get by it. We are all getting used to the new normal. What would you like to share?
I, I would say be thankful. I would say be thankful you have food on the table. I would say be thankful that you have a home, you have shelter. If you're watching this, on a digital platform, it's I'm sure you're in a safe place, you're in a comfortable place. So be thankful for that. Be thankful you're not, you and your loved ones are safe. This is a real difficult time for the entire world. So just be thankful instead of complaining that you don't have, even if you've lost your job, you've lost, some of your savings. Uh, at least you're safe, you're healthy, and good times are going to come back. Remember, you have food on the table, you have shelter. Just be thankful and wait. Things will come back.
I think that's a great mantra to live by. Be patient and be thankful more than anything. And there's no better time than now to start over. सोच लिया तो मुमकिन है. What better
निकल
testimony
पड़
than
तो
this? Salim Merchant, thank you so much for spending time with us and being associated with Sunfeast India Run is One. It's the biggest movement to get migrant workers, laborers back on their feet with the support of Give India. It's a Give India initiative, Procam International as well, and of course, Radio.
Big thank you to Give India and Procam. Big thank you. Big thank you.
That's right.
What a great
Salim
movement.
Merchant, thank
Great.
you so very much. See you soon. Take care.
Thanks, buddy.